Are you ready to catapult your business and finance strategies into the stratosphere? Brace yourself. We introduce the game changer in personal driven engagement with ChatGPT, unveiling our groundbreaking ebook, 50 Business and Finance Persona Profile. A simple plug and play system that you can effectively use to communicate and receive golden information from ChatGPT respective to the persona profile installed, featuring persona profiles such as the cryptocurrency trading specialist, the contrarian investor analyst, the economist, the entrepreneur. Get into their mindsets and work with ChatGPT to produce custom results. Find gaps in the market that are primed, ready for growth. Stay to the end of this video to receive a discount on your purchase. Time, that relentless tide, waits for no one, least of all in the high-stakes world of business and finance. Imagine cutting through the clutter to undiscovered insights crafted just for you. Your time isn't just precious, it's profitable. These persona profiles have been meticulously crafted to suit industry professionals. Dive straight into personalized insight with ChatGPT, saving you a mountain of time. No more sifting through irrelevant information. It's time to go beyond saying, no, not that one, the normal data received, to custom information relevant to your plugged-in persona profile. Time is money. With these persona profiles, less prompts are required. More valid custom information is presented. These easy-to-use persona profiles are your gateway to the mindset of these industry professionals. Simply click a profile, say venture capitalist, analyst, copy the profile from the ebook and paste it into the custom instruction tab. And there you have it. Initiate a focused chat with ChatGPT. It's that easy. Once enhanced, ChatGPT will go right to work with the focused questions you ask it. Do you know what role I'm in right now, ChatGPT? And can you define that role? And there you have it. ChatGPT is ready to go to work for you. Why deploy an army when a special ops team can achieve more? Our persona profiles empower you to steer ChatGPT with just a few clicks. Save not just time, but also your well-earned capital. Gain an edge over the competition in this fierce competitive world of business finance. Our persona profiles are your secret arsenal for personalized interaction with ChatGPT, sharpening your strategy and decision-making powers. In the cutthroat realm of business finance, information is what sets you apart, leaping beyond, say, no, not that one, your competition. These persona profiles are your gateway to using ChatGPT with a mindset equivalent to the industry professional, helping you custom your interaction with ChatGPT and gain that much coveted edge in strategizing and decision making. And here is a killer hack for you. Want to switch personas on the fly? Simply copy and paste the new persona profile into the chat box. ChatGPT adapts swiftly with no extra steps and no hassle. Our persona profiles are customizable. Type in some extra information in the custom instructions. For example, here it says goals and objectives. Let's add dominate the global market in choosing the right sector to invest. Open up a new chat and the changes will take place. Or if you already have a chat open with that profile, then simply tell ChatGPT to add it to this chat like this. Please add this information under goals and objective as part of this persona profile for this chat. Great, your new updated persona profile is effectively changed for the chat. Struggling to keep up with the ever-evolving trends? Our persona profiles are your ticket to staying updated without the overwhelm. Custom interactions with ChatGPT provide insights and updates precisely aligned with your role, keeping you on top of relevant trends without breaking a sweat. Stuck on which way to move forward? A business professional's nemesis, especially when competition is at play. But here is your hack to beat it. Seize the lead in the relentless race of business and finance. Our persona profiles are your secret weapon, transforming ChatGPT into a custom strategic ally. With this edge, you're not just competing, you're dominating, making informed decisions with the precision of a master chess player. Act fast, as these copies are flying off virtual shelves. Only a limited number remain. Your competition might have theirs. It's time to grab yours. Unleash the power of custom business and finance persona profiles that interact easy with ChatGPT and let your business and finance roar in the jungle. And as promised, here is your discount code to use at point of sale. Click on the link below to grab your copy now before it's too late. And remember, in the world of business and finance, being ahead isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity.